Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Angel from Lilo and Stitch as an ice cream cone. So first we're going to get started with the nose. We're going to curve this line up and back down on the right. And then we're going to close this back off on the bottom, just curving that in the opposite direction. For the nostrils, we're just going to curve this across towards the side. And then moving up above, we're going to draw in a small arch line. Now from here for the mouth, over in the corner, we're going to draw in 2 brackets. And then starting from the left-hand side, we're going to bring this over towards the center, and we'll do the same on the right. Now let's draw in the eyes. So we're going to start in the corner here, curving this up and over. And now from the top corner here, we're going to curve this line out for the eyelash, bringing that back in. Now from that inside corner, we're going to bring this line all the way back around and through towards that corner. Now let's create a small highlight. So we're going to draw in a circle on the top. And now let's move up. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line for the top. And then moving back in from that corner, we're going to do the same on the bottom. Let's create the swirl on the top now. So starting further in the center, we're going to curve this line out. From that point, we're going to arch this line over, around, and across. And then from that corner, we're just going to bring this line all the way around and then down on the right. Let's create the ice cream head now. So we're going to curve this line down on the right. We're again going to bring this line over past our eye and down. And then we're going to line this up with the same height on the left-hand side, arching this back in towards that point on the top. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this back around and in. Again, from that point, bringing this down, back up in the center. Again, from here, curving that over and across. And then one more time, arching that around and through towards the side. Let's draw in our ears. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out, around, and down. And we're going to do the same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to continue to bring this line over. So we're going to start back on this line, curving this around and in on the side. On the inside, on the middle now, we're going to curve this line over and out, connecting that line together. And then on the top, we're just going to arch this over and through towards the side. Let's draw the antenna underneath. So starting on the outside, let's arch this line down, up, and over. And now starting back on this line, we're going to curve this around and in towards the bottom of the ear. Now stepping up, let's bring this line over, curving that slightly. And now we're going to move underneath and draw in the ice cream cone. So on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve this line over and in, squaring that out as we come in towards the bottom. And then we're going to close this off with a straight line from left to right. Let's draw the cone underneath. So we're going to, on a diagonal, bring this line down and in towards the bottom. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, bringing this line down, blending that in together. Now we're going to draw in the checker pattern here. So we're going to start with a diagonal line on the top. We're going to bring this diagonal line down. We'll leave a gap, replicating that. Let's leave another even amount of space, bringing that down. And then we'll do that one more time. Now we're going to step over to the right, replicating that, and we're going to end each line at exactly the same height. Now on the bottom here, let's draw in a diagonal line coming across on both sides to close off the square. On the top, we'll bring this diagonal line out. We'll do the same on the left. Now from here, we're going to bring this line down, ending that at the same height on the outside. We're going to step over, replicating that on both sides. And then now we're just going to close that off, creating in our small squares. Let's move down on the left. We're going to draw in another diagonal line at the same height as each on the inside. And then again, we're just going to bring this line over and across towards the side of our cone. Now let's move up on the right. Again, we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming down, drawing that at the same size. And then we're just going to bring these lines over and across. And then one last time, just closing this off with a line on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Angel as an ice cream cone. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.